Welcome to the best picks. The best female urinal is probably one of the most underappreciated tools for those managing bedridden care. It offers a practical solution for maintaining personal hygiene and addressing bathroom needs with dignity and convenience. This video will explore the features, benefits, and considerations when selecting the right female urinal to improve the quality of life for bedridden individuals. Number 5. Female Urinal Spill-Proof 32 ounces, 1 pack. This urinal is designed to be spill-proof, ensuring no messes. It's perfect for use in various situations, providing convenience and peace of mind. This product is specifically designed for women. It offers a comfortable and hygienic solution for urination. The urinal is built with sturdy materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. You can rely on it for your needs. The shape is contoured to fit a woman's body. This design ensures ease of use and comfort. The product comes with a leak-proof guarantee, providing confidence in its performance. It's a reliable choice for any situation. What we like. This urinal boasts a spill-proof design, ensuring no messes. Its sturdy construction provides reliability, and the contoured shape is designed for women. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution for travel or bedridden situations, this is a great choice. What people say. This works great and I have had no spills or leaks. It is very light and the lid seals very tight. This works perfectly. I practiced before heading out to make sure no spillage. Even after sealing, there were no spills. This product saved me during night trips to the restroom after a foot fracture. Works very well for my need. The extend end kept the urine from going everywhere. Would recommend to others. Number 4. ONEDONE 2-in-1 Portable Urinal for Men and Women. This portable urinal is made of high-quality, durable plastic. It features an easy grip handle for convenient use. The seal is designed to prevent any leakage after use. This versatile pee bottle can be used as a women's urinal with the tube and funnel attached. Remove the funnel, and it becomes a men's urinal. It also includes a spare sealing lid for different uses. It has a large 2,000 milliliters capacity, suitable for both men and women. It's a great aid for caring for patients and convenient for storing urine. The graduations on the side help measure output. This urinal is reusable after cleaning. The tube can be cut to adjust the length. It can be used as a bedside urinal for patients or the elderly, or as a portable urinal for travel. This is perfect for those who are bedridden or have limited mobility. It's also handy for travel or when restrooms aren't available. It provides a safe and convenient solution, especially during times when public restrooms are a concern. What we like. This product offers a large 2,000 milliliters capacity, making it ideal for extended use. It features a 3-in-1 design, suitable for both men and women, and is reusable. If you have a need for a versatile and high-capacity urinal for home or travel, this is the one for you. What people say. It is larger than it appears in the picture and it holds a little over 1.2 gallon. It's easy to use and easy to clean. This portable urinal was so excellent in separate settings. I used it after abdominal surgery when getting out of bed and bending to use the toilet were difficult. I was also traveling across country during COVID and having this urinal was invaluable for the stops needed. Number 3. Loona Premium Female Urinal. Quiet, no splash design. Tired of inconvenient solutions? This is a game changer for women. It offers a dignified, spill-proof alternative for standing urination, perfect for various situations. Created by Dr. Valerie Yulin and Bertie Pompan, it features a stealth mode for quiet use. The soft, contoured funnel ensures a comfortable, leak-free experience, making it the preferred choice. This portable urinal is easy to maintain with a simple rinse. It's also eco-friendly, reducing the need for disposable solutions. It holds up to 30 fluid ounces for overnight reliability. It empowers women to maintain their independence, especially for those with mobility issues. It's a spill-proof, portable solution that replaces outdated options, ensuring dignity and ease. Proudly a women-owned business, it's designed with the highest standards. It is HSA/FSA eligible, offering you peace of mind and an opportunity to use your health savings benefits. What we like. This product is designed for quiet and discreet use, ensuring privacy. It features a comfortable, contoured funnel and is easy to clean. If you like a dignified and eco-friendly solution for bedside or travel, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It gives me independence so I feel safe on my own until I heal. It's comfortable, easy to use, and won't spill once the top is securely attached. It is completely leak-proof, even turned completely upside down, not a drop comes out. Number 2. Stock your home unisex portable urinal, 2-pack. This unisex urinal bottle is perfect for both men and women. It's reusable and recyclable, with a 32-ounce capacity per bottle. This is a convenient solution for on-the-go needs. The travel potty for adults includes a funnel. Simply attach the funnel to the bottle for easy use. When finished, remove the funnel and replace the cap. The P-funnel device features an attached screw-on cap to prevent leaks. The cap also helps contain odors. It's ideal for travel, camping, and long car rides. The portable urinal has a 3-inch long handle for stability. This makes it easy to use and helps prevent spills. It's perfect for various situations and users. The female urinal device has easy-to-read measurement lines. The bottle dimensions are 6.5-inch LX4, WX5, H with a 3L handle and 2.25 mouth diameter. The funnel is 5-inch LX 2.75, WX3H, 1.875 diameter. The cap is 5/16-inch HX 2.25 diameter. What we like. This product comes in a convenient 2-pack, offering great value. It includes a funnel for easy use and features a leak-resistant cap. If you are looking for a practical and cost-effective solution for both men and women, consider this one. What people say. Mi esposa debe hacer sus necesidades con mucho más comodidad y inmediatamente, no se debe esperar, para nada. Es un producto práctico y necesario. Heavier material makes it feel sturdier and less flimsy. The neck is a longer length, as is the handle, designed for better and easier reach. Included attachment makes it easy to use for females. Good purchase, would recommend and buy again. Number 1. AWOKEN Unisex Portable Urinal for Men and Women. Introducing the AWOKEN Unisex Portable Urinal. This is a convenient solution for various situations. It's designed for both men and women. Made from thickened, durable plastic, this urinal is built to last. It has a large 1,000 milliliters capacity, providing ample space for use. The screw-locked cap ensures a 100% spill-proof experience. You can rest assured that the contents will stay securely inside. This urinal is designed for everyone, including the elderly, children, and adults. It comes with a funnel for females, making it suitable for all users. It's portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry. The size is 11.8 by 5.1 inches, and it's discreet and hygienic. It's also easy to clean after each use. The urinal can stand on its own without tipping over. This feature adds to its convenience and ease of use. What we like. This urinal is 100% spill-proof, providing peace of mind. It has a unisex design with a funnel for both men and women, and is easy to carry. If you are looking for a safe and portable solution for travel or emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. These were very nice to have sitting next to him in bed, which made him feel more confident with being independent and less reliable on me, his wife, and our son. This was good for overnight and big enough to hold 2 different trips to the bathroom. These were used daily for nearly a full year and never had a problem with the lids not closing or have any problems. Odor, that terrible smell of old urine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.